Welcome everyone to HueFin today, August the 16th, 2020, here to give y'all a very important major update in Bitcoin. Yes, I said this is very major, something that we need to pinpoint and show you all something different from our last video, which we did in Bitcoin on August the 13th. So it's been 3 days and a lot has occurred into the market in Bitcoin that could substantiate a continuation of movement higher in price. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how easy our price chart looks and how easy we speak. Then make sure you guys continue to support our channel by liking the video, sharing the video, and then subscribing to our channel. We do have a website, HueFinancial.com. Join that area as well. It is free if you want to see more of our predictions. Now, another thing I want to make mention to you is leave us a comment on your forecast for Bitcoin. Right down at the bottom of this particular video is a comment section. Click on that. Give us your prediction on Bitcoin as to whether or not this cryptocurrency is going to move higher, and if so, how high do you think the market's going to go? Leave us one. So, like I told you, there has been some changes occurring into the market the 3 days since our video from the trap perspective that could substantiate continuation of strength into the market. We, right there on the 13th of August, was looking for the market in Bitcoin to go slightly lower in price. You can see that did not occur. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin went the opposite direction. So the trap got us. He fooled us on this round. So not looking good in the forecast. So we need to get rid of it. We will be at a loss of about, let's see, almost 4% right now in the market for Bitcoin. So what we're going to do, take that off. Not a good forecast. Let's get rid of it. And I want to show you something on the 4-hour chart in Bitcoin that could substantiate continuation of market strength the easy way. Okay, real easy. And you can see all you have to do is draw one simple line to substantiate the strength in the market in Bitcoin. And it's right there. The trap, he's still trading the market above that ascending line on the 4-hour chart. That area is not complicated to see. The market has touched that particular line that I've just drawn numerous times. So your eyes needs to be focused on the prices alongside this line. The market in Bitcoin currently is trading around $11,850. So the price level on this ascending line at this vicinity will be around $11,800, maybe even $11,690. That's the location that we'll have to pinpoint and pay attention to into the market in Bitcoin. But since our video on the 13th, Bitcoin, the trap, he is still showing his strength into the market. So we just got to follow that. Okay, so the 4-hour chart looks real good in Bitcoin. I want to show you the weekly time frame. Since the market in Bitcoin is almost done, we got 8 more hours left in the conclusion of this weekly price bar. And the last 3 weeks, the trap has endured a lot of selling right there around $12,000. But you know what? The market took it well. They're still showing their eagerness to continue to see price go higher. So that $12,000 looks to be broken to the upside for Bitcoin, at least in the long term. Okay, so we're still going to play that strength into the market in Bitcoin on this forecast package. All right, so daily time frame. The only thing that will go against the strength that the market trap is exemplifying would be that $12,000 area. That's the only thing holding back Bitcoin from moving higher. So we might get some rejection at $12,000. Understandably, you can see that. That is a probable thing that could occur. So you just got to take that into consideration as you continue to see this market trade for this upcoming work week. That's it. So let's go ahead and we're going to put in a forecast into the market in Bitcoin. And looking here on the monthly time frame, you can see that the market in Bitcoin still looks healthy from a monthly perspective. like I told you, the whole 2 weeks of August, the trap has endured some weakness. Now, it hasn't made a hurdle. It has a major hurdle to cross, and it's $12,000. Now, we break above $12,000. Literally, there's not a major area of restriction that could hold back Bitcoin from going, what some people like to say, parabolic, go absolutely crazy, to go cray cray. You will not see that unless we break that $12,000 level, which could give some people pause, because the market may still hold this consolidational trading range until it's ready to go cray cray, until it is ready to be lit and shoot up there well past $12,000, something that you just need to be prepared for in the market for Bitcoin, right? So all that I've just said, the forecast from the trap, what he has laid out for us to see, is definitely one of continuational strength in the market. Now, what I'm going to do, we now know that $12,000 is restriction. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Don't want to make this too difficult. We know that $12,000 is restriction. Now, what I'm going to draw is going to be the ascending line that I've talked about on the 4-hour chart. And we're going to continue to track the market using this line. Okay, right here. We're going to track the strength into the market in Bitcoin around $12,000. So the market, I'm not going to tell you any stories. It is definitely still showing some weakness around this $12,000 area. So be cautious, because I'm seeing that too. But seemingly, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin, and the forecast will continue to be the same as long as this market trades above that line, period. The moment you see it break that to the downside, then you understand that $12,000 area is still strong, and you can't fight against it. You just got to follow the market. So let's go ahead and play that strength into the market in Bitcoin for this package on the daily time frame. We're going to look for some support around $11,600 in Bitcoin, right? $12,000, I'm telling you already, is restriction. So we'll TP some of that forecast out of about 1.2% is profit. Okay, get it how you live. We understand that is restriction. That is just feasible and plausible to take some of that TP out the market on the forecast. And then we're just going to let the market continue to ride higher. So this is our forecast. We would definitely like to know yours. Give us, like I told you earlier, your prediction, your forecast in Bitcoin. Where do you think it's going to go over the next 3 days? Higher, lower, and give us a price point. Make sure you maintain that profitability. I'll see you on the next one.